Now we have looked at how to do the Odyssey Begins, the pre-reading assignments, and we looked at how to post to the discussion boards. The next step is the notebook, which you've already seen because I saw that you had already posted some responses to the notebook in the Odyssey Begins Dropbox. But we're going to go now and look and see what some of the requirements are, because I think that you're probably going to want to revise what you've done and repost it so that you can get a better grade on it. If we look under Unit 1, all the way down, there's something called the Odyssey Notebook, and I'm going to click on that right now. And it has some directions for you. And then it has the notebook entry, and it tells you this is where you can download the assignment. And then further on down the page, it tells you how to upload the assignment to the Dropbox. So I'm going to go back up here, and we're going to download the assignment and look at it together. You'll open up this particular RTF file, and it has the directions right here, and it says please answer each of the 5 questions below. You will need to write a thoughtful, well-developed paragraph, 5 to 6 sentences, for each question using support and or references from the text to prove your answers. So each one of these responses needs to be written as a well-developed paragraph with a topic sentence, specific support that includes evidence from the literature, examples and whatnot, and you need to elaborate then on your evidence and show how it helps to prove your topic sentence. Your topic sentence, the first sentence of each paragraph, will be a direct reflection of the prompt. For instance, for number 1, it says hospitality was very important to the Greeks. 3 characters, at least, did not exhibit this trait. Who were they and what happened to them? So your topic sentence, if it's a direct reflective response to the prompt, will say 3 characters who did not exhibit hospitality in the Odyssey were character A, character B, character C, and they were all punished accordingly. And then you will tell me who was the first character who did not act hospitable toward his guests or her guests, and prove it. What happens in the story to prove that they were not hospitable, and then what happens as a result of their lack of hospitality, their lack of generosity and kindness as a host. You will do this for all 5 questions. Make sure that you save it according to the instructions and then upload it to the Dropbox where it belongs. Here it says that you will submit your Odyssey notebook as an attachment titled last name _ the Odyssey notebook RTF to the Dropbox Unit 1. So you can click actually on that link and it will take you to the Dropbox, and you will upload it the same way you uploaded that I showed you that you would upload the pre-reading assignments. All Dropboxes are done the same way, so you'll add it as an attachment to the Dropbox. After you submit it to the Dropbox, I will grade it and offer you feedback on your responses, and I want you to look very carefully at that feedback. In fact, the unit quiz will not open until you have received feedback from me on the notebook. So you want to make sure that you allow yourself at least 24 to 48 hours after you submit the notebook before you even look to see if the quiz is available to you. And you need to read the feedback that I give to you very carefully, because one of the questions on the test for this unit will probably include an essay question from, or very similar to, a question that was asked in the notebook. And you'll want to see my feedback so that you can give a good, strong answer in the test as well. After you take the unit quiz, which will not even be available to you until you receive my feedback on the notebook, after you take the unit quiz, you can look over the project options again, and then you don't have to do a project yet though. There's only one project and it's for the entire semester, not per unit. After you look over the semester project options again, then you will go to the Reflect and Prepare. The Reflect and Prepare tells you to go back, look at the Odyssey pre-reading assignment again, and then reflect on what you learned from it. It asks a very specific question that you will write a short essay to, and it tells you how to do that here. In addition to that, you will do a prepare assignment, a pre-reading assignment, which is the Romeo and Juliet Anticipation Guide, where you can download the document here, and you'll answer the questions and you'll upload it to the Dropbox as well. So at the bottom of this page you can see you'll have 2 submissions. You'll have your post-reading activity for the Odyssey, and then you'll have your pre-reading activity for Romeo and Juliet. And if you get to that point and you're not quite sure what to do, make sure that you contact me so that I can help you, because if you don't do this assignment, then your Unit 2 Discussion 1 will not be available to you. You definitely want to do this assignment. Not only that, but if you find a workaround somehow and end up doing the Discussion 1 or Discussion 2 from Romeo and Juliet before you have done this post-reading, pre-reading assignment, then you lose the ability to come back and do this assignment for any credit at all, and you don't want that to happen. So if you have any questions about it, make sure that you let me know so that I can help you. In fact, if you have questions about anything after watching these videos, make sure you let me know so that I can help you.